come to harvest my grass? No. Please. Okay. Go from here. Okay. Oopsie. Wait. What? It's my field. Okay. Let's harvest. Completed. Okay, you can go now. Thank you. Hello. Excuse me. Tractor. Yes. Can you take off my grass? Sure. Let's go. Is it your field? Yeah. Okay, wait for a few minutes. Completed. Okay, then give it to my dear. Fine. Hello. Excuse me, dear. Wake up. Yeah. What? Okay, this is for you. You can eat now. Oh, thank you. Wow, yummy. Super. Bye-bye. Bye. Hello, excuse me. Hello. Yes. Can you dig hole with the help of your hands? No, I'm too sleepy. Please. Okay, let's go. Wait. Here. Okay. One hole is completed. Another hole completed. Completed. Can you keep this rod? No. Please. No. No. Okay. Completed. Huh? Hello, wake up. Wow, super. Friends? Okay. Shall we go for fishing? Fine. Fishing ropes. Hello. you give me 2 fishing rods? Sure. Okay. Thank you. This is for you. This is for me. Let's go to the pond. There was a lion. Wait, I'll see. Hey, go! Go from here. You go from here. Wow, let's fish. Let's catch one fish. Oh, wow. Hey, hey. Hey, you don't know how to catch the fish? No. Okay. Wow.